Hey Google, turn on dining light.
Okay, turning on the dining light.
Alright guys, welcome back again for another diecast toy review. And this particular toy ay nabili natin kay Irene's Yard and Houseware Trading. Okay, so si Ma'am Irene, yung store niya is located in Science City of Muñoz, Nueva Ecija. Okay, this particular toy, it is a Siku 3475 na John Deere Lance. And this model is a bit vintage, part of this Siku discontinued model na made in Germany. Okay, highly detailed tong toy na to guys, na made in Germany. Okay, so for the details and materials na ginamit sa toy na to, this is a very highly detailed toy, ano. Okay, so this is a die-cast metal. Ang plastic lang dito guys is itong steering wheel niya saka yung seat. So aside from dyan, may mga details ng mga stick. But hindi sila plastic, there are rubber. Yan, rubber din tong exhaust niya hanggang doon sa part na yon. Yan, rubber yan. And plastic tong fender niya. Yan, saka yung rims. Yan, plastic. But aside from doon, lahat is metal na, die-cast metal. Yan, yung likod niya may detail siya ng plate number niya, printed. Pati yung mga signal lights and stop light niya supposedly, it is painted. Yan. Okay, yung hook niya, ito para sa trader is die-cast din. Okay, by the way, this is a Lance model na may side cutter or side, I think this is a grass cutter. Yan. Side harvester. Yan, yun yung function niya. And itong hood niya, napapop up yan. Yan, die-cast tong hood niya pero plastic yung detail sa loob. Detailed talaga siya, oh guys. Okay, so the catch yung ano niya dito, yung gimmick niya. Itong wheels niya is articulated, na lilikuyan left and right. At sumusunod tong ano niya, itong steering wheel niya. Yan, yun ang trick niya. May details dito ng headlights. I think this is plastic na painted. Okay, so ang model nito guys is Siku 3475. Yung model na 3474, parehas sila neto pero color variation lang siya. Yung 3474 color blue. Yan, just like in the picture. But this 3475, this is green. Yan, color ng John Deere. Yan, okay. So I'm pretty sure na this model is into 1:50 scale model. I'm pretty sure of that because I have here my my Terex 1:50 scale, saka itong Massey Ferguson ko. Yan, magkakasize sila, 1:50 scale din yan. And meron pa akong isang 1:50. Yan, this is the New Holland na tawag dito, articulated truck na may trailer. Yan, you know, 1:50. Ang pagkakaiba lang nila, itong Massey Ferguson saka itong New Holland, mas malalaking tractor yan compared dito sa John Deere. This is a mini tractor lang. And itong Terex ko na backhoe and front loader, yan, mini lang din yan. Okay, so I'm pretty sure of that na itong John Deere nito is nasa 1:50 scale. But what is confusing guys, all data in the internet leads to 1:32. Yan, ang details nila is 1:32. Hindi siya 1:50. Wala akong makitang particular na post on the web na this is 1:50 scale. Wala siyang ganung variation. 1:32 ang particular detail nito. You know, doon ako nako-confuse, no. Kasi kung 1:32 scale siya, ganito siya kalaki, guys. Yan, no, 1:32. Ito yung front loader tractor ko na licensed by class. Yan, class yan. Model niya 3656. Yan. Ganyan yung kalaki ang 1:32 guys. While the detail is 1:32. But I believe this is 1:50. Okay, so if you compare yung meron kasi ako dito yung John Deere na trailer harvester na John Deere na 990 model. Pag kinabit mo siya, hindi siya fit guys hindi siya proportion doon sa body. Kahit sabi mo mini tractor siya, masyadong malaki to. This is 1:32 rin. And John Deere to. Ayan o, John Deere. Okay, this one is John Deere Lance. Yan. This made in Germany pa rin to. Pati to, made in Germany to. Yan, made in Germany yan. So hindi siya fit dito guys. Pero I have here also my yung Alpha Laval na vacuum tanker. Yan, this toy is made by Britons. Yan, Britons yan. 1:32 scale din to. Pero pagka finit mo dito, mukhang proportion naman sila. Yung, by the way, this yung tanker na to, kung 1:50 yan, isa lang ang model na nilabas ni ni Britons. Wala siyang mas maliit na model na ganyan. Wala ring mas malaki. Isang scale lang yan. This is 1:32. By the way, meron akong diecast toy review na itong Alpha Laval na to. This is a rebuild, repainted, and repurposed parts tong trailer na to. Itong Alpha Laval. Yan, nabili natin to kay Celestine. Yan, meron na rin akong diecast toy review na ginawa dito. Okay, may short clip ako dito. So, ginawa ko to ng repurposed parts. Yan. Okay, so kung i-fit mo naman siya dito, mukhang proportion naman. While this is 1:32. But, I'm pretty sure na ito 1:32 yung John Deere na to. Yan, so, hindi sila fit guys. Okay, so, tignan natin yung weight nito guys, itong 1:50 scale na to na John Deere. Meron akong digital na weighing scale dito. Yan, ang weight niya is 140 grams. While yung Terex ko, 210 grams. Kalahati ng kalahating kilo. And yung Massey Ferguson ko, 165 grams. Yan. Pero yung trailer ko na John Deere, kulang lang kalahating kilo na yan guys, 455 grams. While ito namang si loader tractor, front loader tractor ko, 727 grams. Alright? Yan, mabigat talaga yung 1:32 na yan. Kaya, I'm a bit confused no guys kung bakit yung details nito is 1:32. Yung Siku 3474, kasi dalawa yung nakalagay number dito yan, no? 3474 and 3475. Itong 3474 color blue lang yan. Yan, just like in the picture. Pero ang details niya is 1:32 scale din. Okay, so doon ako nako-confuse guys. Ngayon ko lang na-encounter yan na marami na rin akong Seiko models na hawak currently on my possession. But ito yung details na sa internet is a bit weird. Hindi ko gets. Pero siguro etong model kasi na to this is discontinued na guys. So mga first generation to na Seiko models tractor ng Seiko. Yan, discontinued na yan. Okay, so that's it for now guys. If you like more of this diecast toy review, just follow my page. I have a TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube account. So paki-share nyo, like and comment if you like thread guys. So I'll see you on the next video and goodbye.